As all of us they go our separate ways. Na good story we go to tell when we see again of how God done bless me and bless you too. I go always pray for you. And even if I fall from you, you always in my heart. It's not true, not true. I just want to let you know, say, whatever I do, I go always pray for you. We go surely meet again. And when we meet again, none of us go day in shame, but not from glory to glory. In Jesus' name, we go surely meet again. Oh, if I offend you before, forgive me, so that when we see again, you know go get TPP for me. We all need each other to see life through. So I go always pray for you. And even if I fall from you, you go always in my heart.
We hereby commission this donation by the 1995 set.
It's a very wonderful location. 30 years is 3 decades of friendship, or of going out of RSS to struggle, and all of you are here today looking radiant, and we are very happy that 30 years after you have decided to come back and give to the school. We appreciate you, and we understand, we know, we have the belief that the class set will continue to work stronger, and you will also be a part of the celebration that is coming up in February 2026. We are preparing massively for a once-in-a-lifetime celebration, and we are trying to mobilize all stakeholders. We continue to partner with you. We continue to urge you as a group and as individuals to continue giving to this school. The school is very big, and it will seem as if the more we pour resources into it, the more it wants.
More music on trendysongs.com.
I see a daddy when with a turn up. When people hear the bell, they go turn up. Ladies they feeling it, why they turn up. Last kid the boy, love man, yeah, he they turn up. Hello, how are you? See everything nice and crisp over here. See bad guys and the chicks over here. See plenty money and the drinks over here. Hello, how are you? She do Moses up, okay, from Chris Brown. Never fish away, focus on my make it down. Never to rubber, don't follow, knock about. Cabal. For me, swagger, what's that about? We kill every show, we run in the town. The king on the throne, I'm holding the town.
I can just say I'm too happy, It's been like 30 years, man. 30 years, man. It's all... Oh, no, it's not a joke. 30 years is not a joke. I feel so happy. In fact, bringing back the memories of how from starting from GS1 to 2, 3, and to writing my SSC, the first sitting. You know what? I got my admission with my first sitting in this hall. It's sweet. The memory is so fine, so lovely. I'm too happy. Since I got happy dancing, I mean, just like, but thank God for everything. And at the same time, you still have to, flashback. Like, there have been a lot of us that, Singapore. We thank God for their lives, and we thank God for our lives too. But one thing I just want to say to encourage others, like, keep the ball rolling, never give up, keep pushing. we'll get there.
It's been 30 years of leaving RSS for the RSS 1995 set. We deem it fit to use this opportunity to give back to the school. We just donated a set of street light project, and we used the opportunity to honor our teachers as well. This is just the beginning. We do look forward to us doing greater things for the school, and wishing the set a happy anniversary, and hopefully we will also celebrate 40 together, 50, 60, even 100 together.